gonna talk about some bulbs today. I just got my bulbs in and I'm gonna talk about what I got today. I'm also gonna bring up what varieties my dad got because I'm gonna be showing us planting at his place in like a few videos. He's doing a jeweled lawn, which is super cool. I just have some pretty things that I'm gonna be putting out in my front garden. And yeah, we're gonna talk about it because they're pretty and they're wonderful and bulbs are amazing and everybody should plant them because, I mean, who doesn't want spring color? So the first thing I'm gonna talk about are alliums because I bought three technically, different types of alliums from other stores. The first two are from Costco. These are called Gladiator. And they produce a flower that is 20 to 24 centimeters wide. So that is a pretty large bulb of purple flowers. That's gonna be gorgeous. So alliums, I think I grew them for the first time last year and they completely changed my mind. I always thought they were kind of and you know, they're in some people's gardens, but the moment I had them in mine, I'm obsessed with them. Because not only do you get that big, beautiful spring kind of flower, or early summer rather too, but you also get a gorgeous seed head. Like, I don't know if you guys remember the first pot in my front yard that we did up. I ended up using the dried allium seed heads as decoration inside the pot. So they're very versatile, making them a must grow for me. Sicilian honey garlic is the common name. It also goes by that word. Oh, these are high too, eh?
I think we picked high ones.
I didn't know. I thought these were short.
No, I was
These
looking
get
at
tall.
short ones and I said, oh, I don't know if I want short ones.
Yeah, these get tall. I didn't realize that these get tall. These are also 80 to 100 centimeters tall. The flowers aren't as big as these, but you can tell they're kind of more droopy. So that's a really fun shape that I don't tend to have in my garden. Also, we don't have much early red color, so I like that this will give us some deep reds and some yellows. I think it's gonna be really pretty in the front yard. Next one, drumstick alliums. I talked about this a ton this year. Absolutely loved the ones that I grew. I actually, here, just wait. I'll bring this little dried bouquet out because these are the seed heads of the drumstick alliums. So I love these in dried bouquets. Whenever they end up looking like this, I do cut them right away because I do find they look like a drag queen's cotton ball at the end, like they're really messy looking. The color and the depth of color that you get while they're kind of freshly in bloom, unbeatable. And the size, they're the perfect size out in the garden. They're high, they come up and they're just on little thin stems that held up really well. I did not stake them and they did not break. So that is a champion flower. So I got a pack from, believe it or not, the dollar store. It was only $4 for 10 bulbs, but I also bought some from Brex, sorry. Where are they though? Found them, there we go, okay. So these I think were like $8 and I got 16. $4 for 10. So, you know, the price isn't bad on either way, and they're amazing. These are beautiful flowers, and I'm so happy to have 26 bulbs extra going in this year, on top of the ones I already have. The rest of my Bricks order, first one we have a mixture of giant hyacinths. I love hyacinths. They bring smell and scent to the garden, which I am obsessed with. Last year I think we planted I think they were called Woodstock hyacinth. I wanna say that's what it was called. They were like a beautiful, rich, kind of burgundy color. We didn't get them last year. I think I planted them in the wrong spot. They ended up rotting out on us. I did find them, I pulled them up, but they were completely mush on the inside. So round two, here we go. Hopefully they work, fingers crossed. Blue Heron Tulip. I have 9 bulbs of these. They look enchanting. They're that kind of light cut petals, bluish, grayish kind of tones. I'm in love with this tulip. It grows about 2 feet tall, 24 inches. Snow crocuses. Love crocuses. We grew an orange variety last year that just brightened my day when I saw them. They're like little orange stars that you would see in the garden, and now we have 30 more of multicolored to hopefully show up and just be beautiful and do what crocuses do, because they are gorgeous. I wanted this daffodil last year. We didn't get it. I think we went for something else. I think we actually went for the drumsticks, which I'm still happy we got. But this daffodil is called Spring Cheer, and it is a bouquet within one stem. So instead of having one or a few flowers coming off of one stem, this is a ball, almost like an allium, of daffodil flowers. It is stunning. I am so excited for it. We got 5 bulbs, and I'm pumped for these for next year. They're gonna be gorgeous. I have no idea where I'm gonna put them, but I will figure it out. Now on to what my dad's doing for the jeweled lawn. But he got a daffodil, which I don't think is for the lawn. The Pipit daffodil, really, really cute daffodil. Like 1.5 feet tall, so 14 to 16 inches. Yeah, okay. And then everything else should be for the jeweled lawn, unless he has other plans for it. Grape hyacinths, I think we all know these. These are gorgeous. I have them in my front yard. They're the first thing I planted when we moved here. And now my dad's gonna have some in his lawn. And this is a pack of 50 bulbs here. Another classic flower, we have early snowdrops. Love this. I have none in my garden. So that might have to change, and that might be on the order list for next year for me and Daniel. Early Snow Glory. Once again, this is 100 bulbs, really, really gorgeous, and we'll be planting these inside the jeweled lawn as well. Also, I'll just tell you guys the heights of the things for the jeweled lawn, just so you guys kind of get an idea that these are all rather short things that you will, after they flower, you will just mow over with your lawnmower. For instance, the early snow glories are only get 4 to 5 inches tall. Blue grape hyacinths get to around 8 inches tall, 6 to 8. Mine tend to stay around the 6-ish height-wise. And then the snowdrops are a smaller one, 4 to 6 inches tall. So everything's really short and will come up and be beautiful little specks of color all throughout the lawn. I am so excited these are here. Now, I'm not going to be planting these yet. I'm going to be planting these in about a week or 2 weeks' time. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing 1 or 2 videos, because I know in my yard, I'm not 100% sure of where I'm going to be placing that. And I would love to give you guys kind of my thought process on where I'm going to put them in my yard. And then, of course, running over to my dad's house and helping him plant his bags of bulbs. Thank you guys for letting me show you guys what I'm planting in my garden. Please leave comments below about what you're planting and your experience with bulbs and other beautiful things that are like pride and true to you. Let me know, because I'd love to plant them in my garden too. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay gardening.